Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by inspecting the Hawkins stainless cooker. Confirm the rubber gasket sits evenly, the safety valve moves freely, and the regulator is clean. Next, add your measured ingredients and a minimum of 1 cup of liquid so steam can develop. Overfilling past 2/3 prevents safe sealing. Place denser items below lighter ones and center the inner pot. Once everything's in place, align the lid grooves, rotate to lock, and ensure the regulator sits correctly over the vent. You should now heat the cooker on high to build steam. Watch for the regulator to rock or the pressure indicator to rise. Once it starts venting steadily, reduce the flame to low-medium so the regulator rocks gently. This maintains pressure without aggressive jettisoning. Start the timer according to your recipe. Make sure to count from the moment steady pressure is achieved, not when you first applied heat. During this phase, avoid disturbing the cooker, because opening or moving it will drop pressure and extend cooking time. When cooking time ends, you choose the release method. For tender foods, use natural release until the indicator drops. For quick cooking items, use the regulator release carefully per instructions. After the pressure indicator shows 0, open the lid away from your face, tilting so steam escapes safely. Stir and finish seasoning, or allow a brief rest to settle sauces. Troubleshooting tip: if your cooker never reaches pressure, immediately stop heating. Verify the gasket is seated, the regulator isn't blocked, and that you used at least the required liquid.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.